Bitcoin is starting to bounce towards the upside right now. It is starting to happen, and Bitcoin history is exactly being repeated. So are we about to see a massive pump getting created towards the upside? Well guys, we need to be talking about that exactly, because yes, it is touching a major level of resistance. So guys, can we once again push up the likes? Back above the 100 likes, that will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into that short term. And yes, in a short term for Bitcoin, we are exactly bouncing back towards the upside. After Bitcoin has been getting oversold on that RSI indicator, we have been creating this bullish divergence. Bitcoin price has been creating lower lows, while the RSI indicator has been creating higher lows. So a clear bullish divergence right here being created, and yes, we are right now seeing a bounce towards the upside getting initiated after this breakout towards the upside outside of this falling wedge pattern. So yeah, a perfect bounce right now being created from this level of support. However, yes, in the short term, do keep in mind that right now we are starting to trade inside of another weekend. That CME close price is sitting at approximately the 62k level, so consolidation at around this level during the course of the weekend is just going to be very likely. Anyways, because of this bounce towards the upside we are seeing in the short term, we might be having a look in towards a higher low being created right now at this current moment. And this is going to be huge for the Bitcoin market, because of course we have been trading inside of this downtrend for the last couple of 7 months, and right now we are finally starting to reverse this trend from a downtrend in towards an uptrend. Of course, we have already been creating this equal low over here, or possibly even a higher low if we are going to be counting the wicks. But right now, officially, if we're going to be bouncing off towards the upside right now at this current moment, we're definitely going to be printing a new higher low. Of course, Bitcoin has already been creating a new higher high right over here, so that is already definitely reversing the trend from a downtrend in towards an uptrend. But definitely, if we're going to be printing a higher low right now at this current moment, confirming this trend even more. And whenever that is going to be happening, guys, I think we are about to be breaking outside of this level of resistance anytime soon, and that is going to be huge. Anyways, this could be happening in the month of October, guys. If we're going to be having a look in towards this chart over here, history might just be repeating over here. Of course, we have been having a very boring summer for Bitcoin over here, but last year we have been having the same exact thing. A very boring summer with just sideways consolidation, and after that summer over there, we've been seeing a slight little dump in the start of the month of October, but after this dump towards the downside, we have been seeing a huge pump getting initiated in the month of October. Right now, we are seeing the same exact thing being created, a slight little dump getting created in the beginning of October. But after this dump is going to be over, I think we're going to be seeing a huge pump getting initiated towards the upside still in the month of October. Guys, history is just being repeated over here, and always whenever we are starting off the month bearish, well, usually we are ending off the month bullish, right? We have been doing it 3 times already before, and right here before over here, we have been starting off the month bullish, ending off the month bearish. So right now we are starting off the month actually bearish. This month of October is definitely getting started off very bearish. So we are going to be very likely to be ending of this month very bullish. This month of October, which has historically speaking been a very bullish month for Bitcoin. Anyways, guys, this has exactly been where I've been speaking about for the last couple of weeks already, because I've been saying that it is going to be very likely we're going to be leading in towards October with a pump, because people are going to be buying the rumors, because October is going to be a very bullish month, of course. Now, whenever the October month is actually going to be getting started, we're going to be seeing this sell the news event, which we have exactly been seeing, and right now, so very likely we are going to be seeing the Bitcoin price actually being bottomed out, and this trend going to be seen getting flipped towards the upside right now at this current moment. Anyways, do still keep in mind that in the short term, Bitcoin is still trading inside of this downtrend over here. So yeah, do keep that in mind. It is touching a major level of resistance at this current moment. Right here, you can be seeing previous level of resistance over here, previous level of support over here, right now flipping in towards resistance. So do keep in mind But ultimately, guys, this is looking very bullish. We are just printing a new higher low. And if we're going to be having a look into the stock market has been getting a perfect bounce from off this level of support. We have been having a look into these previous optimize actually getting retested. Right now, we are seeing a perfect bounce back towards the upside, guys. This is looking extremely bullish. If the stock market is just going to be seeing more momentum getting initiated towards the upside, guys, I think that Bitcoin is just going to be next with reaching new all-time highs. I think it's only going to be a matter of time. Anyways, having a look into what's a Bitcoin funding rates over on Binance, they are even trading negative. So definitely majority of the market is right now trading short, which is definitely indicating a very bullish thing, because whenever the majority is trading short, it is going to be very likely to see another short squeeze and get another move towards the upside getting initiated. Anyways, also yesterday still, the market sentiment was trading at levels of fear, so this is also very bullish for the Bitcoin price. Anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading right now yourself as well, make sure to be checking out these two links with that link down below, because over on OKX, you can right now be claiming a 30% trading fee discount and a $60,000 deposit bonus. And over on Bybit, you can now be claiming a $500 free trade and a $40,000 deposit bonus. So make sure to be checking it out with these two links down below. Anyways, yes, if we're going to be having a look into this bull flag pattern for Bitcoin, the more times we're just going to be knocking on this level of resistance, the more likely we are going to be breaking it and to be getting a huge breakout above. Now, I do think that in the next time we're going to be trying to be breaking above this level over here, we're going to be very likely to be breaking it, already touching this level for the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth time. And right now, this is going to be the sixth time we're going to be touching it. Also, with the US debt still increasing, also with the US elections coming up, and every single time after the US elections, we tend to go parabolic for Bitcoin. So it is just lining up very perfectly for Bitcoin. A massive breakout above is going to be inevitable over here. Anyways, guys, do be prepared for what is about to come next. Anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.